Dear students, in last module we have discussed hit and trial method, systematic method and transposition method. And now in this module we will discuss cross multiplication method to solve linear equations in one variable which are in the form ax plus b equal to 0. Let us solve 9x upon 7 minus 6x is equal to 15 by cross multiplication method. Here we can see that we are to remove 7 minus 6x. So multiply both sides by 7 minus 6x. So you are left with 9x is equal to 15 into 7 minus 6x. On multiplication with bracket, we are left with 9x is equal to 105 minus 90x. Now transpose 90x to the left side and 99x is equal to 105. So transpose 99 to the right and you will get answer. Now we will discuss word problems based on linear equations in one variable. And the statement is the present ages of Rajiv and Monica are in ratio 5:2. And 17 years ago their ratio was 4:1. So we are to find their present ages. So for finding their present ages, let us suppose that present age of Rajiv is 5x and of Monica 2x. And 17 years ago, their ages will be 5x minus 17 and Monica's is 2x minus 17 and which is in ratio 4:1. So 5x minus 17 upon 2x minus 17 is equal to 4/1 and after cross multiplication we are getting 3x is equal to 51. Now transposing 3 on the right side, we are having x is equal to 17. So Rajiv present age is 5 into 17, 85 years and Monica's age is 34 years. Now let us discuss a second problem, which is a boat goes downstream from point A to another point B in 6 hours. It covers the same distance from point B to point A upstream in 8 hours. If the speed of stream be 3 km per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water and distance between points A and B. So for this, let us discuss speed of boat in still water x km per hour and speed of stream 3 km per hour. And now if a boat is moving in direction of stream, then it is called downstream, and if the boat is moving in direction opposite to that of stream, it is called upstream. And obviously time taken by boat in downstream will be less in comparison to time taken by boat in upstream. Now distance covered in 6 hours while downstream will be 6 into x plus 3 because formula is distance equal to speed into time, and distance covered in upstream is 8 into x minus 3. Now distance covered in downstream and upstream will be same. So 6 into x plus 3 is equal to 8 into x minus 3. On multiplication of the brackets, we are getting 6x plus 18 is equal to 8x minus 24. And from here, x is equal to 21. So speed of the boat in still water is 21 km per hour. Now put this value in total distance and you will get distance 144 km.